So how will you feel when you wake up and look into your phone and saw that you've just been paid on your PayPal account this amount of money? This has been a daily routine for people like me and other guys out there who has been doing exactly what I'm going to be showing you in today's tutorial. This is a very easy method to make money online, and you can do this no matter where you're living. The most important thing in this method I'm going to show you is that it's on autopilot. All you just need to do, put the effort at once, and after that you just have to relax and you get paid every time. So before I show you this method, all I just need from you guys is to give this video a thumbs up, support this channel. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't, also subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. In this case, you'll be the first one to know this method and start using it for yourself to earn money online before it gets saturated. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. First website I'm going to be showing you is called Motionthen.com. I repeat, the name is called Motionthen.com. This is the platform that is going to be doing all the work for us, and we can start earning money with the next platform I'm going to be showing you. I'm just going to show you only two websites in this video, and with the combination of these two websites, we're going to be making money on autopilot. Once again, I'm already on Motionthen.com. This is a online video maker. Like I said, this is going to make all the work for us, guys. What we want to be doing is that we want to create videos on this website, and this is a done for you videos that we're going to be making on this website. As you can see, we can create an irresistible video in a jiffy. That means in a second you can create a video on with this website, and the video is already done for you. All you just need to customize the video and make it to your taste, and you get based on the next platform I'm going to be showing you to earn money on autopilot. So first of all, let me just show you how this platform works. So first of all, before you can use this website, all you need to do is come here and click on get started. This means you're going to register. You can sign up directly with your Gmail account, sign up with Facebook, or you can come here and sign up with your email. So when you click on this one here, it's going to show you where you can fill your first name, where you can fill your last name and your email address, and you'll generate the password, and you're ready to use this platform. All you need to do is to give them a correct email address, because they're going to be sending you a verification to your email address, and you can start using this platform. When you log in, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to bring you to this place here where you're going to see the videos template. So you have different type of already done for you video templates here that you can reuse. As you can see, we have for 4 seconds, we have for 6 seconds, we have for 12 seconds here. It depends on what type of video you want to use. Okay, you have for 13 seconds here, and these are videos that you can even use for TikTok video. We have also 27 seconds here, and we have even more than that. So let's just choose this template. Okay, I'm going to show you how we're going to customize this template so we can start using it. So in the next website I'm going to be showing you, this is where we're going to be using this video to earn money. So now let me just click on this to show you how we can customize this. To customize it, you just need to click on edit this video. So you wait till it uploads. So after it's uploaded, it's going to bring you to this place here where we can edit this video. So as you can see, we have the logo. That will be the first thing. So we have the logo here. If you want to change the logo, you can just come to the left side here to the bars on the left side. You can see you have the logos. If you want, you can crop it. If you finish, you can preview it. And after, if you want to change the logo, if you want to upload your logo, all you need to do is just click on this change, and you can see where you can click and upload logos from your computer. And after that, you can go to the next sentence. You just need to click on the next sentence here where it writes your text. As you can see on the left side here, this is where you can write your text there. Like I say, let me just write a text so you see how it's going to look like. So we can preview it. So you wait a little bit because it's refreshing now. So after refreshing, we're going to see my name here. You should see my name here, guys. You see, so now it's already refreshing my name. So this is a video of only 2 pages, guys. Like I said, it's just a video of 4 seconds. So if you want to add audio on it, you can just go up here to this left bar here. You can then click on audio, and you can upload audios from your computer. So assuming you already know how to download audios. If you don't know how to download the audios, just need to go to Google, and you can download free audios in Google and upload it here, guys. Okay. So now, and after when you're finished with this video editing, all you just need to do is to make the video. You go up here to the right hand side, you see this blue button here, you're going to click on make video, and this is going to make the video for you in a few seconds. And after that, you can save this video to your computer. And then after saving this video to your computer, I'm going to show you the next page. We're going to be using this in combination of the next page I'm going to be showing you in a minute to make money on Autopilot. Because I know you might be wondering now, okay, now I know how to edit the video, how am I going to use this to earn money online, which is the next page I'm going to be showing you. So to earn money doing this, you just need to go to this second website called quickandgigs.com. So quickandgigs.com, it's not so well known like other platforms. It's a platform where you can go and earn money for your service. Okay, this is a freelancer platform. To use this platform, you just need to first go and register. Okay, to register, you click on this register button. So you have the register form that you need to fill, and after that you can start using this platform. It's so easy as that. So now let me just show you something here, guys. You see, we want to go to video and animation. Assuming after you register, all we want to do is first go to video and animation, and you will see we have a short video ads here. Okay, so we want to click on short video ads. So this is what we want to be doing, guys. Okay, with the combination of the first website I show you, which is Motionthen.com. It's a free video editor. So after we've edited these free videos, all we want to do is to come here and start creating a gig like this ones here, guys. As you can see, this gig is selling for $149 for each order. You may be wondering at that, how am I going to come to the top rank? And because these guys are already doing the same thing. Okay, if they're doing the same thing, why not you also doing this? So what I want to show you, to come to this first rank page here, if you want your own gigs to rank first like these guys here, all you just need to do is to click on his gigs and see what he's doing, why his gigs is ranking at number 1. So what I will advise you to do is that to replicate the same thing what he's doing and model it, and do it also for your own gigs, so that your gigs can also show up at the first page. It means it can rank also at the number 1 or the number 2 gigs that is going to show when someone is searching for this kind of services. So you put this effort one time, and after you can set it as much as you want, guys. So this is how to make money with this combination, guys. First of all, you need to come to Motionthen.com and you sign up, and after that you can find different type of template that you can use here, guys. And after when you find the one that you want to use, you just need to customize it, and after that you can come to quickandgigs.com and create a gig basically on short video ads. And after doing that, all you just need to relax and say that your gigs come to the rank number 1, so that you can get more orders from other people out there, guys. So this is what I want to show you in today's video. I hope you do find a value on this video, and if so, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you haven't, also subscribe to this channel, because I do create videos like this that show people how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that. And also turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you'll get notified. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next videos. Peace.